good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I just received some breaking news not too long ago, maybe half an hour ago, from a subscriber to the channel, actually. Want to say thank you to Chad for sending me this so that I can get it out there and let you guys know what's going on. But what this is, it's an update to what Toyota calls a remedy notice involving the Tundra, in my case, and the Tacoma up there. The perils of owning two vehicles from the same company. Anyway, what this is, it's an update to an existing remedy that actually went out on March 28th. Now, this is beyond when I had information for the list of recalls, if you will, that I put out a video on recently. So this adds one more to Toyota, which I think brings them to 3 as far as the list goes that I did. But what this was, I'll tell you, the original remedy that was stated on March 28th was regarding the multimeter wave radar sensor. And we'll tell you what that is here in just a minute. What this involves is the 2018 through 2019 Tacoma, and it says here production period late June 2017 through mid-December 2018, approximately 280,200 vehicles. That's a lot of trucks. Also included is the 2018 through 2019 Tundra, production period early August 2017 through mid-December 2018, and that involves 160,600 trucks. Again, a lot of vehicles. What it says here for the condition, and I'll read this to you so that I get it right. It says the involved vehicles are equipped with a pre-collision system, PCS, that may automatically apply the brakes if the system detects a potential collision. Due to the mounting of one of the system sensors, it is possible for water to enter the sensor, and that can lead to PCS deactivation or inadvertent brake activation, resulting in limited deceleration for a short duration of time. That's that kind of assisted braking thing, you know. Let's see. The remedy says any authorized Toyota dealer will update the PCS software, so it involves a software update, and apply sealer to the millimeter wave radar sensor in the front of the grille. You know, that dreaded sensor in the front of the grille. In the rare case that the vehicle is currently exhibiting the condition, dealers will diagnose the sensor and replace the sensor as necessary, free of charge, highlighted in bold letters. Covered vehicles, again, it says there are approximately 440,800 vehicles covered by this special service campaign. Special service. Approximately 8,000 vehicles involved in this special service campaign were distributed to Puerto Rico. So it's not all vehicles within the United States. So there's what the notice is now. That was the original notice. Since then, on April 11th, there has been an update to this original remedy notice. And what it is, I'll tell you originally, the models that were included as far as the Tacoma were the SR, the SR5, the TRD Off-Road, the Limited, and the TRD Pro. Now they're including the TRD Sport, what I have right up there. So my Tacoma is now included. As far as the Tundra goes, nothing has changed there. It is still the SR, the SR5, the Platinum, the TRD Pro, the Limited, and the 1794. Pretty much about every truck they make. Because about every truck that they made, or I should say every truck that they made beyond 2018 has that lovely sensor in the front. You know, the one that everybody talks about? Let's see. And then it goes on to talk about technicians and training and who can do it and all that kind of stuff. This report that I'm reading here has about 16 pages. So some of it's just sample documentation, but basically, that's it. So if it covers you, you're probably going to be getting a notice. I hadn't gotten a notice myself because the Tacoma, anyway, that I had was not included. And I hadn't heard anything yet as far as the Tundra goes, but I'm sure I'm going to be. Now, what's going to be interesting for me, you see, is because, and this will be great. This will be great to find out. The Tacoma, of course, is modified. It's lifted. So we're going to answer that question once and for all once I get the notice and take mine in. But it is lifted. I am probably going to have to remove some stuff as far as the lighting that I've put in it, maybe. And probably the camera connection. The only reason that and that stuff's easy to just unplug, but the reason I would do that is because I don't want them to do it. I would rather remove that stuff myself, or at least maybe just tape it to the inside of the grill, so when they pop the grill, which they will, since they're going to be messing with that sensor, which is inside the grill, they won't be doing it. I'll have already disconnected it. It's not a big deal. Stuff's just plugged in, so it's not too hard. Anyway, I just want to get on here, let you guys know, if you have a Sport, the Tacoma anyway, and you thought you were safe, you're not. You're now included. At least for those production dates for those model years. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.